In this video, I want to send you over to another video. If you're a subscriber of Superdell-TV, then you already know, or maybe you are one of his subscribers and maybe you just missed his video. But if you're looking for a reliable, fast, easy way to install apps, then check out Superdell's video, the one called Easily Program Any Android Device in Minutes. He has the codes you need for the latest and greatest apps. You can depend on him to keep it updated. He'll do the work for you. He will also show you how to install and use Droid Admin. It's a must-see video if you're not subscribed to Superdell-TV. Then please check out his channel and subscribe, because you're missing out on a lot of great information. His link to that video will be in the description of this video. So go get that knowledge, y'all. Like I said in my last video, I'll give you my bittersweet opinion, whether I think it's bitter or sweet. Droid Admin and Superdell's video is another sweet one. So please check it out. And I'm also going to post links to 2 other members of Superdell's team and their Facebook page, DST, which stands for Dream Stream Team. So please check them out too. Okay? I'll see y'all on the next video, and thanks for watching.